Hello, I'm SEOBI, who runs the SEOBI workshop. Today, we are going to make a structure that looks like a soccer ball on the screen. Considering the size of the work to be made, cut the material into a certain length with bands so. After that, trim both ends of the joint material with a grinder. The length of the material is about 13 centimeters, and I made about 151 pieces. The material that connects the two ends of the chopsticks is the compression terminal, used in the terminal of the wire among the electrical materials. We used rivets to connect thin steel plates. I've worked so hard to make blisters on my hands because it's boring, and it's hard for my thumb and index finger. We're finally starting to connect. From now on, the work was very fun. The work was carried out to complete the shape of a soccer ball by connecting each material with a hexagon and an irregular pentagon. Examine the progress by comparing it with what was designed during the process. I also referred to the work I worked on before. The work seems to be going well as expected. During the process, make the surface as regular hexagon and regular pentagon as possible. As the size of the work gets bigger, the overall shape becomes closer to the circle. After connecting, remove the rest of the rivet you connected and trim the shape of the entire round shape. Complete the soccer ball-shaped objet work and take a look at the overall shape for a while. Let's take a break time while making a cup of your favorite cocktail, Long Island tea. The work is being installed on the ceiling using wires. The ceiling is over 4 meters high and it is carefully fixed with a ladder. Now let's take a look at the finished work. Thank you for watching until the end. I will prepare better contents next time. Thank you very much.